Hello guys, welcome to a new from the channel. This time we'll check how to withdraw Sweetcoin to GCash. So let's start. Well, I'm here on Sweetcoin, and you can check in the right side that says balance, and I have zero. But here on Sweetcoin, only you can spend right now money buying things that Sweetcoin has or fears. So for example, let's click here and you can say that they spend coins on shops or claim bonuses. So if you have coins here, you can go to the shops and find what you can buy with Z coins here. As you can see, there are many options for buying, so you can use it. However, right now there is no available to transfer the sweet coin to GCash, so let's wait until it is available. But right now only you can spend on shop, so that is the only way you can spend your sweet coins right now. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.